Hello guys, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video on this new channel. Let's start with a pull. Today we are going to drive a small little mountain pass here local to me called the Hulftegg. I've already tried to record it from the other side, however there was too much traffic, so now I'm gonna try again. So we are starting our ascent. As you've probably seen in the title, I'm driving in a BMW M140i and live in Switzerland, so the laws for speeding are somewhat strict, therefore I won't be pushing too hard today. And also I've already seen some cyclists, so another reason to not go too crazy. But yeah, regardless, let's still have some fun and enjoy the very good sounding and performance exhaust from BMW. So for the first part there shouldn't be any cyclists as far as I've seen before. However, there may be some on the descent. Wow, I mean, this car sounds so great, especially next to those walls. So yeah, what can you expect from this channel? Probably videos just like these, where I'm going to go to some mountains, do some passes. Also, name is coming from that, and try my BMW M140. And yeah, as you can see, the pass is we're already at the top. So like I said before, it really is quite short. However, I thought for a first video, it's actually quite nice. As also the fuel lamp just got on. Yeah, descent never as fun as the ascent, but we'll still enjoy it. Just making sure that the brakes don't overheat. Don't really want to end up in one of those barriers. Also don't want to drive over my ability, so keeping the speed comfortable. And yeah, I've also planned a trip in the near future to go to the St Pass with a few friends, so you can definitely look forward to that. Also, if you enjoyed the video so far, consider liking and subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, so it looks like we had quite some luck from this side. First traffic just coming here, as the pass is already coming to an end, so not really any problem with that. And also looking at the left mileage, or meaning the left kilometer, I probably have to stop now, otherwise I run out of fuel. So like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe, and in future there will definitely be longer videos. However, as a start, I thought this would be a good introduction. Thank you and have a nice day.